Welcome back, guys. Have you ever used sticky keys in your work? Most of you might answer, no, we don't know. How do you get to them? Usually, maybe by mistake, like you're pressing some keys and tucked its sticky key menu appears and you ignore it very simply. But this is also very useful, I will say, feature. And today I'm going to share with you how you can use this feature in your Excel spreadsheets. So sticky keys, generally how it works, you press a key for 5 times and you get this menu. And how you use it, let's have a look at Microsoft Excel. In the spreadsheet, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press 5 times one of the keys, like shift key, let's say 1 2 3 4 5. There you go. There is a pop-up, and this pop-up shows sticky keys. Do you want to turn on the sticky keys? Obviously. Now, because I want to show my friends on YouTube, I will turn it on. What will happen after turning this on? Let me remind you, when you use some shortcut keys in Excel, what do? You hold Ctrl and then A, B, C, T, whatever, hold shift key for a bit of time, and then holding the shift key, When you turn on the sticky keys, you don't have to hold. You can simply press Ctrl, then press A, and then do the activities. I will show you. First of all, I need to turn it on, so I will click on yes here. So my sticky keys are turned on. For example, if I have to cut paste, let's say this one, test from here, I'll have to press Ctrl plus X, and then, but now I will just press Ctrl. I press Ctrl and then press X, which means I've cut it now. I click somewhere L, then I'll press again Ctrl plus V, it's pasted. So you see, I didn't have to hold the Control key, but rather I just pressed the keys and I use it like that. Again, let's press Ctrl and C, and then I take it somewhere else, Ctrl V, it's pasted here. So sticky keys help you to keep your hold of a key. So for example, Control or Shift and stuff like that. So it can be handy if you cannot use your both hands. It's accessible, so it helps. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Practice it and share your comments in the comment section, and I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, take very good care of yourself and stay safe. See you soon. Ciao.